Due to the instability of the Turkish lira, citizens of the country have begun to actively use cryptocurrencies. This has inevitably caught the attention of regulatory bodies, and in April 2021, the Central Bank of Turkey prohibited the use of crypto assets as a means of payment. However, investing in cryptocurrencies was not banned. Let's dig in. According to official data, in 2020, Turkey was 14th in the world in terms of cryptocurrency trading volumes. Although the central bank's decision caused a decline in interest in cryptocurrencies, they can still be legally used in the Republic of Turkey. Therefore, Turkish citizens are entitled to buy, sell, and own cryptocurrency, but its use for the payment of goods and services is prohibited. However, despite the high popularity of crypto assets, there is still no special legal framework regulating this market in Turkey. These are the main state bodies of Turkey that are currently trying to regulate the blockchain and crypto market. Banking Regulation and Supervision Agency, BRSA. The Capital Markets Board, CMB. The Financial Crimes Investigation Board, MASEK. And the Central Bank of Turkey. On one hand, any services in the field of cryptocurrency fall under the jurisdiction of the CMB, BRSA, and the Capital Market Law. On the other hand, crypto assets themselves are not yet considered capital market instruments. As a result, there are currently no rules or restrictions on the exchange of fiat money for crypto assets in the country. Trading platforms independently determine their own exchange policies. Crypto companies operate without any licenses or permits. And there is no established tax base for such transactions. To put it simply, in Turkey, cryptocurrency brokers and dealers are currently not considered intermediaries in the trading market. This is due to the fact that crypto assets are not considered capital market instruments. The legal status of exchanges is undefined and their activities are not regulated by any rules, yet new exchanges continue to open. It should be noted that at present, the exchange of cryptocurrencies in Turkey is not subject to taxation, nor are the income from transactions. Of course, this situation will not last long, as state bodies are already preparing a legislative basis for taking the cryptocurrency market under control. The results of a study by the Information Technologies Directorate of Turkey indicate that the country holds the 14th place in the world in terms of cryptocurrency trading volumes. Turkey accounts for 2.14% of the global market share of operations. More than 2.4 million Turkish citizens hold cryptocurrency. What cryptocurrencies are the most popular in Turkey? Currently, they are Bitcoin, Ripple, Digibyte, Bitcoin Cash, and Stellar Lumen. TURK ESTATE, make your dream to live by the sea come true.